the engine air filter, which I've also already replaced. Come under here, we've got the hood popped already. Push the lever, come over here. We're gonna grab our arm. I apologize. But there's the arm, and we're gonna show you with the air box being right here, it's to the left side of the motor. We're gonna show you how to replace the engine air filter. All right guys, so like I said, we're in the engine bay. This is the 1.4 liter Ecotec on the Chevy Spark. This is 2016 to present. So with the Spark being discontinued, unfortunately, it's 2016 to 2022. Right here, you have your 5/16 bolts, and it's just 2 of those. When you loosen them up, you're able to pull up, so that way you can get the air filter out, which I have already done so. It is a K&N washable, as you can see. So we're gonna wash that, and we're gonna wash also the cabin air filter as well, put it back in, and we'll see you guys in just a little bit. All right guys, we're back. It's the next morning. Had to let this thing dry after we cleaned it and re-oiled it. It gets messy, so yeah, just be prepared for that. So we are going to open and put this thing in. I mean, it's really simple. You just slide it in. All right guys, so just like that, we've got the air filter reinstalled. There are 2 5/16 bolts right here and right here. They aren't designed to come out, I don't believe, but you do not need to remove them completely in order to open it. But as you see right there, 5/16 socket. Tighten these things back down. And once you got those tightened down, it's all good to go. Just make sure they're completely tight, because if not, you can have some extra air, and the mass airflow sensor will adjust the throttle, and the throttle will be lagging. I had that happen one time because the backside of the air filter box was not closed completely. So just like I said, make sure the bolts are tightened, and so you won't get any check engine lights. All right, that's it. All snug down tight. That's a simple air filter change or an air filter cleaning if you have one of the K&N reusable air filters. Thanks guys. Bye, Ada.